Hello, I'm Mark Langan, and my Hack Week project was learning how the Roblox bootstrapper works and changing it to install Studio to fixed directory on Windows. Currently, Roblox installs to a version folder based on the hash of the current Studio or player version. This means that it installs the executables to a different path every week. This is problematic for a number of reasons. For instance, we have to apply some pretty significant hacks to update the shortcuts to any of the Roblox applications every week, which is not perfect, and many network and graphics settings on Windows are tied to the executable path, so they get clobbered every update when the directory changes. So I updated the bootstrapper to install to fixed current Roblox Studio and current Roblox player directories instead. I have here a set of bootstrappers which are hard-coded to think that the most current version of Studio is a specific one for testing purposes. So if I launch this 454 bootstrapper, it will go to install Roblox Studio, and we'll see the old version go away, and instead we'll have a current Roblox Studio folder here in the versions folder. And if I look at this current version of Studio, we now have version 454. We can run the next version, and we will see again it will install, and it will continue to use this current Roblox Studio folder. We'll see another version folder briefly pop up because it's still using a safe update process where it initially installs the files into a separate folder, and then at the last minute switches the folders out to make sure that there's the minimum possibility of ending up with a bad install. So we can verify here about Roblox Studio. We now have version 456 instead. And finally, we have a client one as well. I mentioned Roblox Studio here, but both client and Studio use the same bootstrapper code base. So if I run bootstrapper client, it'll do the same process, but instead update the player version. And finally, for the money shot, if we run a game from the website here, I can connect and join a live game using the version of Studio installed in this fixed directory rather than the previous version hash-based directory. So this all works. Thank you very much.